To make sesame chicken, take 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken, add 3/4 teaspoons salt, garlic powder, 1 tablespoon mirin or rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 egg white. Mix all of these ingredients together and refrigerate for about an hour. Take 1 cup of potato starch, dip marinated chicken pieces in the potato starch and fry for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it is done. Make sure to drain the fried chicken pieces on a paper towel. Another alternative option is to air fry the chicken pieces. Coat the chicken with the oil on both sides and set it to the temperature according to the settings of your air fryer. Next step is to make sesame chicken sauce. To make the sauce, take 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mirin or rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix 1 teaspoon of potato starch with 3 teaspoons of water and add this mixture to the prepared sauce. In a pan, take 1 teaspoon sesame oil, add 1 tablespoon white sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, stir and add the fried chicken pieces. Mix everything well. Make sure you keep the temperature at the low setting for this entire process. Add the prepared sauce and combine it all well. Garnish it with sesame seeds and cilantro.